Este día ay continúa kita discutir el 5 pagklase de pronoun na lengguahe Chavacano. To catch up with this video, you can click the link above to go to our previous episode. We will start with reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is normally used when the object of a sentence is the same as the subject. Each personal pronoun such as I, you, he, and she has its own reflexive form. These pronouns are words that ends in self or selves. Chavacano reflexive pronouns are those that ends in cuerpo. The first of the reflexive pronoun is myself, or in Chavacano we say it, de mio mismo cuerpo. Example, ay aseyo con de mio mismo cuerpo un café y bira na trabajo. Y hablayuse con de mio mismo cuerpo 100 veces. The next reflexive pronoun is ourselves or the aton mismo cuerpo. Here are examples for this one. Kemodo kita saka mga frutas para con di aton mismo cuerpo. Ay introdusi kita di aton mismo cuerpo uno por uno. The third reflexive pronoun is yourself or de tuyo mismo cuerpo. Example, dale de tuyo mismo cuerpo descanso y descansa un poco. Ase de tuyo mismo cuerpo na casa. We can also drop yo from tuyo and just say it de tu mismo cuerpo. Like, dale de tu mismo cuerpo descanso. The fourth reflexive pronoun is yourselves or in Chavacano, de ustedes mismo cuerpo. Example, no pone de ustedes mismo cuerpo na peligro. Saka con lío y cerrad ustedes mismo cuerpo na cuarto. Another variation of this is replacing ustedes with vosotros, like, no pone de vosotros mismo cuerpo na peligro, and it would still mean the same thing. The fifth reflexive pronoun is himself or herself, or we say it, de suyo mismo cuerpo in Chavacano. This is a non-gender specific pronoun, so you may use it regardless if the subject is a male or a female. Example, y separta si Michael de su mismo cuerpo na grupo. Taase si Maria con de suyo mismo cuerpo un chicken sandwich. We can also drop yo from suyo and just say de su mismo cuerpo. Like, y separta si Michael de su mismo cuerpo na grupo. The second to the last one is themselves, or in Chavacano we say de ila mismo cuerpo. One example is, lleva sila mga almohada para kundi ila mismo cuerpo. And the last one is itself, or in Chavacano we say mismo or mismo cuerpo. Example, el espejo mismo el dale mira con ele el futuro. Reciprocal pronoun is used to indicate that two or more people are carrying out or have carried out an action of some type, with both receiving the benefits or consequences of that action simultaneously. There are only two reciprocal pronouns in English. These are each other and one another. In Zamboanga Chavacano, there is no difference in meaning between these two. Either of the two means a uno y otro. Example, si Mark y si Elaine quiere a uno y otro. Just like English, there are also four demonstrative pronouns in Chavacano. These are este, ese, estos, esos. These pronouns point to specific things. Este and ese are used on singular nouns, while estos and esos are for plural nouns. Example, bien delicioso este. Hindi ese de tuyo. Lleva kita con estos mañana. Differlin esos. Interrogative pronoun is used to make asking questions easy. Chavacano interrogative pronouns are quién, cosa, por qué, donde, and cuando. As you can see, these are the most common pronouns every time we ask questions. And here are sample usages. ¿Quién ya kusi con el pescado? Cosa ya pasa con el reloj? Porque tú ya sale temprano? ¿Dónde el di aton cuarto? ¿Cuándo volve si Oscar? The last pronoun is indefinite pronoun. This refers to non-specific beings, objects, or places. Indefinite pronouns can represent either count nouns or non-count nouns and include a number of subcategories like universal, assertive existential, elective existential, and negative. The following are Chavacano indefinite pronouns with their English translations. Starting off with maskin cosa. Example, no quiere él hace maskin cosa más. Si tiene tu quiere maskin cosa, habla lang ka namon. The next one is maskin quien. Example, no quiere leuhi con maskin quien. No ayo habla con maskin quien acerca de contigo. The third one is tiene cosa. Example is, tiene yo cosa habla contigo. Tiene cosa tabula para kanatun. The fourth one is tiene quien or tiene gente. Example, tiene quien buta con el bola con ele. Tiene gente tamira con ele desde na casa. The fifth one is no hay cosa. Example, no hay cosa quiere habla. No hay cosa puede ele hace. The last one is no hay quien. Example, no hay ese quien ya saka con ele. No hay quien ya habla conmigo maskin cosa. While who is an interrogative pronoun, it is also a subject pronoun like I, he, and she. This is used to person who does the action or which person is a certain way. Example, el nuevo maestro quien encabeza con el ceremonia ay enseña inglés. Whom, on the other hand, is an object pronoun just like him, her, and us. We use whom to ask or say which person receives an action. Example, Estel mi sobrina quien te gusta yo más. Whose is considered as a possessive pronoun. Example is, el hombre de quien azul el mga ojos ay bira mañana. What is not only used as an interrogative pronoun, we can also use it as a pronoun to refer to things. Example, sabe si Jose cosa le hace na pueblo. El asistencia de gobierno el que ta necesita yo. Additionally, que is also utilized to refer to things or animals. One example is, escribile manada kansyon que el mga gente quiere uhi. Another one is, el pájaro que adentro del jaula con hambre ya. And that's it for Chavacano pronouns. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, vamos a aprender Chavacano.